So what'd you build today?
This PC right here is a nice little sleeper build because we got a nice all black color scheme, no RGB for the people who hate the rainbow puke, but it features the i3 1200F and the Asus Dual GTX 1650. And this build's pretty awesome because it's kind of future proof in a way, because you have a very balanced build right now that'll play esports titles, some AAA titles out of the box, no problem, but it's 12th gen, so you could actually go 12th or 13th gen. It's a 550 watt, pretty highly rated power supply. On top of that, you have a 1650, you have 16 gigs of RAM, and you have more slots as well. You have more NVMe slots, and it already has a Gen 4 SSD in it, so it is ready for your next generation of CPUs when you want to upgrade, and it'll be 800 starting at PCBros.tech.